Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wanted to see what it's like to have your face on a movie poster or swap faces with your favorite celebrity? Well, now you can because today we're diving into MidJourney AI Face Swap. In today's video, I'm going to show you what MidJourney AI Face Swap is, how to log in, and how to use it step by step. Ready to start swapping? Then let's get into it. So what exactly is MidJourney AI Face Swap? MidJourney AI Face Swap is a powerful AI tool that lets you swap faces between two different images, whether it's your face on a famous painting or swapping faces with a friend for fun. The AI does all the hard work, blending facial features in a way that looks realistic and sometimes hilariously surreal. It's a creative tool that can be used for everything from memes to digital art. And don't worry, you don't need any fancy editing skills to get started. Just follow along and I'll show you how to log in and use it in just a few simple steps. Alright, so first things first, let's log in. Head over to midjourney.com and click on the Join or Sign Up button. This will take you to their Discord server because MidJourney runs through Discord. If you're new to Discord, you'll need to create a free account. If you've already been here before, just log in and you're ready to start. Once you're in, you'll find the MidJourney server. Now that we're logged in, let's get to the fun part, swapping some faces. Once you're inside the Discord server, head over to one of the newbies channels. This is where we'll be working our AI magic. To start a face swap, you'll need to use the command/imagine followed by your prompt. But for face swaps, you'll add specific keywords and images. Let's say you want to swap your or any other face with a celebrity. First, upload your image and the celebrity image. Then grab the URLs of both. Use the command/imagine face swap, followed by the URLs of the images. The AI will process the swap and generate your new image. And in just a few seconds, you'll get your new face swapped image. It's really that easy. Ha ha ha, look at that! Elon Musk's face on Vin Diesel. It's a little bit exotic, but it's so cool. Now that you've done a basic swap, let's explore some ways to customize your results and make them even better. You can add additional keywords to your face swap prompt, like in a movie poster style or in an old oil painting. This helps the AI interpret your swap in different creative ways. Just type your command, like this, /imagine face swap. Photo 1: your image photo 2: celebrity image in the style of a painting. The AI will give you a set of 4 different styles based on your prompt. If you like one, you can upscale it to get a higher quality version, or you can even create variations if you want to explore more options. Once you're happy with your swap, just click on the image, select Open Original, and download it in high resolution. You can share it with friends, post it on social media, or just keep it as a fun memento. Alright, before we wrap up, let me share a few tips for getting the best results from MidJourney AI Face Swap. Tip number 1. Use high-quality images. The better the quality of the images you upload, the more seamless the face swap will be. Tip number 2. Play with different styles. Add prompts like in the style of a comic book or in a retro filter. This adds a creative twist to your face swaps. Tip number 3. Be patient with the AI. Sometimes it might take a couple of tries to get the perfect swap, but don't be afraid to experiment. And there you have it. Your complete guide to using MidJourney AI Face Swap. Whether you're swapping for fun, for art, or just to see what you'd look like as a famous celebrity, this tool is seriously impressive. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun AI tutorials, tips, and tricks. And also, if you create a crazy or cool face swap, drop a link in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.